Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USD into Singapore dollars on PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you need to transfer or convert your USD into Singapore dollars so that it can be transferred through your bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your PayPal account. Now, next to where it says Manage Money, click on the drop-down menu and then click on View Money page. Now, once you're on this page here, next to where it says Currency Conversions, so the US dollar, click on Convert Currency. And then for the to country, you're going to change this to Singapore dollar. So there you have it, guys. Simply just click on Next. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert your USD into Singapore dollars. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.